This is a 100-ton 4-post press with a 6-foot diameter bolster, 100 inches of daylight and 90 inches of stroke, which will be used for large wheel assemblies for the construction and mining industry. This press will be installed in a fully automated cell in which the wheels will be assembled and also welded before being unloaded by a robot. With speeds up to 750 inches per minute on this press, we really designed the HPU by working backwards. After figuring out the customer's throughput requirement, we then took a look at how long they would need for the loading, the welding, and then the unloading. We dialed in on the ideal speeds for this customer to meet their production, while also maintaining a tight positional tolerance to ensure that the parts were still within specification. This press also comes equipped with a secondary trap cushion cylinder, which is mounted underneath the bed. This customer needed a reliable solution here in the United States to better support their domestic customers and growing demand for their product.